Hello, I am Dr. Imran Khan. Today I will explain the copper damascene process and chemical mechanical polishing in 3D integrated circuits. Integrated circuits used in advanced electronic devices enable applications such as high-speed computing and data storage. Nanoscale transistors and interconnects form the two essential building blocks of an integrated circuit. The transistor perform the logic functions and the copper interconnects provide the wiring between the transistors. Modern electronic circuits routinely contain the excess of billions of transistors and interconnects. The process sequence used by semiconductor industry to fabricate CU interconnect is called dual Damascene process. In this process, nanoscale features including vias and trenches are first etched in a dielectric layer, typically porous SiO2, followed by deposition of 2 to 3 nanometer thick diffusion barrier layer. Deposited titanium nitride is conventionally used as a copper diffusion barrier. A thin copper seed layer is then sputtered, followed by bottom-up copper electroplating to achieve wide free metallization of complex nanopatterns. Finally, excess Cu plated in the field region is polished away using chemical mechanical polishing. This sequence of patterning, metal filling, and chemical mechanical polishing is repeated sequentially to assemble the multi-layered interconnect structure. So as I will explain here. So now I'm going to explain all this process as an animation here. So let's start the single Damascene process and the dual Damascene process. Okay. So here you can see here we have the layout of simple inverter here. Okay, so this is the obvious diagram, and you already know about this diagram. Okay, so we already explained the animation of layout of simple inverter in our previous lecture, so you can go and check from there. Okay, so let's start the process. Okay, so it's tungsten via plugs intrametal insulator. So here you can see this is intrametal insulator, and now intermetal insulator. Okay, so now this is you can see the intermetal insulator. Now metal 2 trenches. So here you can see these are metal 2 trenches, and this is metal 2 electroplating. So here you can see, and this is CMP or chemical mechanical polishing. And now this is insulator, via trench, trench edge, and this copper, and finally this CMP. So here you have this dual Damascene process. So this was the process of copper Damascene process and chemical mechanical polishing. Okay, so this process is used extensively in our 3D integrated circuit technology. Okay, this was all for today. So if you have any question related to this lecture, please feel free to contact me. Okay, thank you very much for today. See you next time.